I'm pre-recording this intro because today is Tuesday. On Friday, I will be going to my doctor's office to touch up my Bellafill for my face, a filler for acne scars. I'm sure you could use it for other things, but that's what I get it for. And I will be recording the process. I know a lot of you guys saw my video where I spoke about me getting Bellafill. I had a lot of questions, so I thought, this is my third time going. I asked if I could film the process and they kindly said yes. So I will be asking the doctor a lot of questions that you guys had for me. I know right now you can't see my acne scar as well. I have a huge scar here as well. You could still see it, so I need to fill this in. But that day that I will be going into the doctor's office, I won't be having any makeup. I will be doing close-ups. You guys on that video have been asking me what doctor do I go to, because not just any doctor will do Bellafill. Bellafill is very different than all your other fillers. This is a very long-lasting filler. I might also just touch up my lip. We'll see you guys again on Friday. Just arrived at my doctor's office and I decided to bring you guys along. I'm going to be getting some Bellafill today. This is not my first time. I have previously filmed a video about my Bellafill experience for my acne scars. You guys asked me so many questions. You want to know which doctor do I go to? It's my third time getting Bellafill. You want to do a little at a time. You do not want to go straight in with a lot of this filler. The doctor comes in. I'm going to introduce him to you, ask him just a few questions. If you guys want to know more of the background of my acne scars, show you here. This is a really bad one. We just touched this up 1 month ago. I never let him touch this one. I would advise you to really choose a good doctor if you're gonna get this done. This is a filler that lasts for a pretty long time, so you want to make sure that you're in good hands, and I really trust this doctor. Again, it's the third time that I'm coming here to get this procedure with him. At the end, we might touch up my lips a little because I did get just a little bit of, I believe the filler is called Versa. I'm gonna do a close-up of my face. This scar here, I had 3 surgeries to get rid of a cyst a long time ago, so I was really scared to get anything injected there, but we did it 1 month ago and I'm really happy about it, and I still think I need just a little bit more. We're just waiting on the doctor. I did get here a little bit early. If he comes here, let him start talking to you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Swift, a plastic surgeon, and I inject this product. It's called Bellafill, and it's really good for acne scarring and for filling lines and volume enhancement on the face. I'm located in the Upper East Side of Manhattan, New York City. Bellafill is a type of filler that is composed of 2 parts. The first part is a collagen, and the other part are these microspheres, and the little microspheres stimulate collagen. So in a way, when you inject the filler product, you have the immediate application of having the filler there, and as the collagen declines, the little microspheres stimulate collagen, and that fills in. And these products can last up to 5 years.
Can Bellafill be dissolved?
No, not per se. There are things you can inject to kind of treat if there was a problem, which is very unusual, but it cannot be dissolved because it's your own body's collagen. It's stimulated by using this syringe. Collagen part, though, you have to do a skin test at least 2 to 4 weeks before, just to make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction to the collagen that's used in here.
Is there any downtime with Bellafill?
I would say, as with any filler with injections, there's always a chance of having some little swelling, a little bruise. It resolves pretty quickly. Actually, with a little bit of ice, I'm sure that within a day or so, you're back to normal.
What kind of acne scars would you recommend this for exactly?
Well, they describe acne scars as 3 different types. There are the rolling and boxcar shaped ones, and then there are the icepick ones. So the first 2, the rolling and the boxcar ones, are best treated with the Bellafill.
How long for you to see the results of Bellafill?
Bellafill works immediately, and that's sort of the beauty of it because it has the microspheres that will stimulate collagen over time, but the collagen is there to work immediately and fill in the defects. So that's why people often choose it.
What kind of acne scars would you say that I have?
The rolling and boxcar type.
I've always described them, but you're the professional as icepick scars, so they're not really icepick scars.
Icepick scars are just more, they're like direct, like little holes, like direct, like if you imagine someone taking ice pick, a little sharp object, and making little puncture ones. These are more rounded like, or more like a square, like a box car, like a little train car. And those are the ones that tend to easy to come up.
Okay, so we're about to start. The first thing we're gonna do is put some numbing cream. I love that the doctor actually lets it sit for a while because you really don't feel this at all, which I love. So you may see me closing my eyes once we start, but it's just because the thought of needles just gets me a little, you know, really won't feel a thing.
I'll hold there. Looks really good. I'm going to have you take the mirror back and have you hold a little pressure and just micromanage that for me, please.
I just injected my chest some Bellafill. Like I said, I have a really bad scar. It's just like, I don't want to like show you there. Very happy. Can't wait to see the results.